Today we're going to talk briefly about what do I bring to a client's home newborn session. I don't photograph in the home too often because my schedule does not allow that much travel time. However, when I do go to the home, I try to keep it light and simple. I do not bring lights with me. Instead, I rely on the natural light in the client's home. It's important that I talk to my clients ahead of time to make sure they do have adequate natural light as well as space for shooting. I will ask them to pick 3 colors, one of them being a neutral, and then I will pack 3 types of sets with different variations so that I can transition in between poses. The backdrop that is behind me is by Intuition Backgrounds. They have a to-go pack that I use whenever I am going on location. It's a great version of the backdrop behind me, just in a smaller size. I bring a couple of bowls, some very small props, some beanbag blankets, and some outfits so that I know I have enough material and clothing to transition and just try to work efficiently and cleanly.